mathematicsmedia.com. Click on download now. And then people stay on the page. They can continue reading this blog post. And now when we go back to our Getresponse account, then we will, when we go to lists right here, we should see a new subscriber. So let's go to Mathematics Tutorials, which is our list. And as you can see here, this new contact is now in our email list. Now you can also put that form on the footer of your website or on the sidebar. If you would want to do that, you would go to your WordPress account, then go to Appearance, go to Customize, and then go to Widgets right here. And here you see the footer widget number 1 and the footer widget number 2. If I would want to put it here, I just go to footer widget number 1, click on Add Widget, go to Custom HTML, and then I would just paste my JavaScript code in this field right here, click on Add Widget, and then I have to click on Publish on the top right here, and then it will add this form right here. Obviously, now it would make more sense to have like a square form because it fits better in the footer. Or if you have a sidebar as well, then you can put it in the sidebar widget, however you want to. So another way you can use to get people to sign up to your email list is to use a landing page. And with Getresponse, I've introduced a very cool feature called Conversion Funnel. So what you can do is build a funnel with a landing page that people can go to, and then they sign up with their contact details. And what you are doing is you're giving away something for free in exchange for the lead, in exchange for the email address. And then it will go to the second step of the funnel, which will be a thank you page. And then it will say, check your email inbox. And then in their email inbox, they will get an email from you sending them to your download page where they can download whatever you were giving away. So now I'm going to show you how to build a conversion funnel using Getresponse. So to do that, you just go to the top here on the left side where it says menu. And now we're going to click on Conversion Funnel. Click on Create Funnel right here. And here you see a couple of different funnels that you can build. So what we're going to do is we're going to build a lead magnet funnel because using that funnel, we can give away something in exchange for an email address. What you can also do is build a standard opt-in funnel where you just will ask subscribers to sign up to your list. But I would suggest, or I would recommend you use a lead magnet funnel because people are much more likely to actually sign up to your email list when you're giving them something for free. That's how pretty much everybody does it. They give away a free ebook, a free resource list, a free checklist, a free mini course, whatever you want to give away. But you will increase your opt-in rates by a lot if you just give away something for free. So, by the way, you can also use this to build a sales funnel or promote a webinar, but I haven't really used Getresponse to build a sales funnel, so I'm gonna show you how to build a lead magnet funnel. But the process is pretty much similar, so you can also watch this if you want to build a sales funnel. So click on Create Lead Magnet Funnel, and then you have to give the funnel a name. So in my example, I'm giving away a free YouTube optimization checklist again. So I'm gonna name this YouTube checklist. Then click Save and Continue. And then we have to decide, or we have to give Getresponse our lead magnet so that they can then create that download page for us. So I'm gonna click on Add Lead Magnet right here, and I'm gonna name this lead magnet YouTube Checklist. Description, learn how to rank number 1 on YouTube. Then I have to first upload the cover of my lead magnet. So I'm going to upload the cover of my YouTube checklist. So I'm going to click here, and I already have uploaded this cover because I've used it before. So I'm going to click here. Then I'm going to make this a bit smaller like this, click confirm. And then I'm going to move on and actually upload my lead magnet. So this is where I upload my PDF document. So I'm going to choose it here, upload. And then I'm going to click on add and go to funnel. All right, so here we see an overview of our funnel. So the first step right here is where people will go to first. So this is the sign up page, which is our landing page. Then the second step is our thank you page where we say, thank you for signing up. Now go to your email inbox. And then you can also create a welcome email, or this email that will go out when somebody signs up. And at the bottom right here, you will also see kind of how many people have subscribed, how many people have actually joined your list. And you can also build multiple landing pages, and you see which landing page performs the best and all that kind of stuff. So what you want to do here is you just want to go through here from top to bottom and create every step of the funnel. So let's start out with creating our landing page. So click on create sign up page right here, and then it will take us to the landing page builder. If you only want to have a landing page, you can also use this tutorial to just learn how to build a landing page, because it's pretty much the same process. So here you see all the different templates that they offer. You can click on lead magnets on the left side, and then it will filter out every, it already has filtered out every other landing page, and you only see the landing page templates here specific to giving away something for free in exchange for a lead. So let's just go with this one right here, and let's give it a name. Let's say YouTube checklist landing page. And here, by the way, you see the thank you page, landing page, and you can change all the content on here to your specific business. Click next step. Then it will open up our landing page builder, which is like a drag and drop builder. So you can just drag in stuff from the right side. So we can just maybe drag in an image, or you can drag in a button like this. But what I try to do is to keep this landing page kind of like the template is already built, because I think it already looks pretty good. And then I just change all the text. So here I would say learn or get my free YouTube checklist, something like that. Maybe delete this, drag this up to the bottom. So you can just drag stuff around, maybe change this image as well. So let's change this, replace it with the cover. Make this smaller, drag it up. So you can just build out your landing page like this, and it will already kind of put in your icon of your lead magnet right here. And what will happen when people click on download now, it will automatically scroll down to this sign up form right here, and then they can enter their name and email address, and then they will be put on your email list, and they will go to the next page, which is the thank you page right here. And as you can see here, it says check your email, and then they will see the link in their email. Again, like similarly with the sign up forms, you can also create like split test landing pages. So if you click on the plus right here, it will open up a new variant. And what you can do here is just change up the title, change up the text a little bit, and see what will convert the most visitors into leads. So this is a very powerful feature as well. And then what you see up here is this is a pop-up form placeholder. So what you can do with this is that when people visit your landing page and then they want to close out of the browser, out of the page, then it will open up this pop-up. And this is very powerful as well, because it also will increase conversions. So you can also redesign this to whatever makes sense for you. And so people can, it gives the people another nudge to actually opt into your email list. So you can change all the settings right here, change the design. I'm going to leave it as it is right here. And what you also want to do is make sure to optimize it for mobile. So on the top here, you see this mobile phone. Click on this mobile phone. Click OK. Let's go to mobile. And most of these templates are already optimized for mobile. So there's not a lot you would have to change here. But go through here and make sure everything looks good on mobile as well, especially if you get a lot of traffic from mobile. So go through here, make sure everything looks fine. Then do the same thing for the thank you page as well. Look at the thank you page, see if everything makes sense. Obviously, you want to change the logo to your logo as well. Change it to switch it to mobile as well. Make sure everything looks fine. And then once everything looks good, we go to the next step on the top right. All right, so here we can change some SEO settings. So we have the page title. We have already decided on that. Then description, learn how to rank number 1 on YouTube. This doesn't really matter. Then choose page URL. So right now, when you send people to this specific landing page, you will have to send them to this URL. This is because we haven't set up our own domain with Getresponse. So I'm going to publish it on this domain right now, but I will show you in a moment how to add your own domain and how to put it on your own branded domain. So for my example, it would be medicstutorials.com/YouTube checklist, something like that. So for now, I'm just gonna leave it at that. And then subscription settings, thank you page, go to the default thank you page, which is the one that we have just created. If you want to have it to go to another thank you page, maybe a specific page on your website, you just click on custom thank you page right here and enter your URL in this box right here. But I'm going to leave it at that, and then click on publish. And as you can see now, it has created our first step of the funnel, which is our landing page. And here, this right here is the link. So what we can do is copy this link and then maybe test out this landing page. So I'm going to open up a new browser. So I'm going to paste this link in here, click enter, and that will get us to our landing page. Then when you click on download now, it will scroll down to this sign up form. You can also test it out. Just type in your name and your email address and see if it actually works. And now if I want to close out of the page like this, then it will open up this specific pop-up, and here it asks us, okay, why don't you give us your name and email address? So when we actually type in our name right here, let's test this out as well. Yeah.com, click get it. And then it should take us to our thank you page right here where it says check your email. Now the next thing we have to do is the next step of the funnel, which is our download page. This is the page that people will go to when they want to download your lead magnet. So let's click on create download page. And again, we have a couple of templates. I'm just going to use this template right here. YouTube checklist download page. Click on next step. And then again, it will open up the page builder. So obviously you want to change out all the things to your own brand. So you want to change out the logo, maybe change the text. And this is where people will see your file, so the cover that we've uploaded of our lead magnet. So this should change in the actual download page. So when you're done here, also click mobile, see if everything looks good on mobile, then click on next step. Then again, SEO settings right here. I'm just going to leave it as it is. Click on publish. And then it takes us back to our funnel, and we have created our download page. And then this is the email that people will see. So what they can do then is click on this download button, and then it will open up the download page for this specific lead magnet. So then when I click on download, it will download this checklist to their download folder. And as you can see here, this is my PDF document. And then there's one more step that you can do within your funnel, which is set up an automatic email that will go out after they actually receive that download email. I usually don't do this because when they are put on my email list, I have already set up an automation or an autoresponder that will go out to them as an email sequence once they join the list. So I don't really need this specific step of the funnel. But if you only want to have one email that goes out after they have subscribed, then you can create the email right here. But in my case right now, I'm not going to do this. One thing you do have to remember though is that when you create a conversion funnel, like a lead magnet funnel that you use to get new email leads, then Getresponse will automatically create a new email list for this specific funnel. So now when we go to lists, then you see that they have created a specific list right here. And right now you can't really change it so the funnel goes to a specific list that's already existing.